When you're creating content, you need to create content that connects with your perfect customer so they can get to know you, like you, trust you, and ultimately buy from you. So imagine creating content around your ideal customer and what pains, problems, and frustrations that they are experiencing and how they're feeling. And imagine if you can provide a solution for them. And you know what? ChatGPT can help you do that. So I want you to go over to ChatGPT and have a conversation with it around how your perfect customer is feeling. Now, I want to show you the results that I had from my conversation with ChatGPT. Now, I put this prompt into ChatGPT and I'm just going to read it from what I've written. My perfect customer is a 40-year-old dad who works a good job in the government or private sector and is paid $80,000 a year, but he is not making enough money to pay the mortgage, the car, and credit card payments. He thought by the time he was in his 40s, he would be making more than $120,000 a year and would be in a better financial position. So they could travel overseas more often to see family and have memorable holidays with the kids, because the kids are growing up fast and they do not have enough time to create memories while they are young. The 40-year-old dad that I want to attract in my content is ready for a change. He wants to have his own online business and be his own boss. He wants to know how he can use social media to grow and scale his business to $15,000 months in the next 6 months. So he can quit his job, but he is worried that he cannot do it on his own because he's scared of failing and does not know which online business he should start. Now that is the first part of the prompt that I put into ChatGPT. But the next part, I asked ChatGPT for some help. Can you please create 14 video hooks and a 1-minute video outline showing my ideal customer how I have the solution for their problem? Because I can share with them the blueprint that they can follow so they can launch their online business in the next 7 days, focus on the income producing activities in less than 2 hours a day, and teach them how to automate their business so it's working for them 24/7, where they'll make 100% profit on every sale so they can spend more time with their kids. So I dropped this prompt into ChatGPT of everything that I've just read, and ChatGPT has given me 14 video hooks for your perfect customer, a 40-year-old dad. Now it goes through the hooks that is provided. How to build a $15,000 a month in 6 months without quitting your job just yet. Tired of missing time with your kids? How you can be your own boss in 7 days. Stuck at $80,000 a year? Here's the blueprint to double your income and work less. Want to quit the 9 to 5? Let me show you how you can build a business in less than 2 hours a day. Feeling trapped in your job? Here's how you can replace your online income in 6 months. Now it goes on to give me a list of 14 hooks. And it goes on to provide the 1-minute video outline of how I have the solution to solve their problem. In that 1-minute video outline, it goes on to provide me the hook, the problem, the solution, the trust builder, and the call to action. These 5 elements of a video are so important to get the attention of your ideal customer and get them to take an action. Now I'm going to share this prompt down below in the description of my YouTube video, so you can model and apply it to your business. You can then take one of the 14 hooks that ChatGPT have provided to you and ask ChatGPT to provide a framework of a 60-second video and provide an outline of the hook, problem, solution, trust builder, and the call to action. So you've got 14 different content ideas from this one ChatGPT prompt to help you get the attention that you need on social media. Do you see how simple and easy that this process can be with the help from ChatGPT? When you understand how you can use ChatGPT to help you create content ideas, then you can have unlimited content that will feed your business for life. When you're ready to learn more about starting or scaling your online business, learn the skills and the strategies around growing a following on social media, building your brand and your email list, creating short form video to attract your ideal customers, and to automate your business so you can grow your influence and your income and spend more time with your kids and travel overseas, then I'd love to share with you the blueprint that I use inside of my business. Simply click on the link down below to learn more.